Well, good morning. I think it's getting about time for this old man. I guess I'm admitting I'm old now. I'm 80 and a half. I think it's getting about time to slack off, take it easy, or maybe just plain quit. Because yesterday, my old yellow truck up and quit on me. After it quit on me Saturday, or Sunday. Sunday, it took $50 worth of gas to go 15 miles because I had a hole in the fuel line. And I got a neighbor, friend of mine, to help me fix it. And we got it fixed and got it running real good. And, I was, where was we? Down east of Urbana. And I come home, come up to Ludlow. And I thought, well, I don't know, this load ain't much. So I come up to Castle Hill. Boy, I just barely made it. I don't know. Usually go around a different way with a big load. Anyhow, then I got almost up Bell Fountain. I got about halfway between the Walmart Road and the high school, and the thing I just up and quit on me. It wouldn't run at all, which it's kind of acted like it's done it before. Anyhow, I just ended up give up and got the whole thing pulled home. And don't think that wasn't a pain. Pulling a truck and a trailer, and I was pushing as hard as I could on the brakes, and not enough brakes to do anything. But I didn't bang into his truck. I come pretty close once, and we made it home. And anyhow, I'm just curious. Thing sat here a while. Let's see. That doggy's hot. Let's see if anything happens. Where's that? I know it still runs. Better not quit yet. There's something in there gets hot. When it gets hot, it quits. Alright, doggy, come on, let's go. Hey, I don't have to quit yet. I can go get me some more stuff. Alright, that's enough for this. I'll show you what's I bought Saturday.